You've been assigned the task of finding WordPress blogs with do-follow links. On behalf of your employer, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to complete this task. The first thing you need to do is look to the sidebar to see which keywords to use for this task. Once you have the keyword, we're going to go to google.com. To find WordPress blogs, we use a simple Google operator. Here's what it looks like. You can copy it from the instructions below. Now we're going to head over to google.com and we're going to simply paste this into the box. Now where it says keyword, we simply need to change the keyword to the keyword we're going after. In this example, I'm going to use tomato garden. Now also you see that we have this pound sign. What we need to do is change this to 1 and then redo the search. We're going to do this several times and we're going to go through several different numbers. What this allows us to do is to find only blogs that have already had at least one comment. So when we go through and look at the page, we can then see if it has a no-follow link. Now before we start visiting the results, we need to go to SEO for Chrome and make sure that we have it selected to show no-follow links. If it does have a no-follow link, it's going to have a red dashed outline around the link. That means that it's a blog that we don't want to add to the blog URLs page. If it has no red dashes though, this is a good URL and we want to add it to the blog URLs page. So let's start looking at these different search results. We're going to go one by one, looking at each of the pages to see if it has a no-follow link. If it has a no-follow link, we're going to move on to the next one. Okay, for this comment section, it's actually not giving us a link, because when you hover over Lydia, it's not giving us a link. So this is not a good page. Now you see this comment from Becky has the red dashed outline. That means that this is a no-follow link, and this is not a good blog. So we will go back to the search results and look for another one. We will continue to do this until we find the number of required blog URLs that's been assigned to us. Now for this section, they're not actually giving any links at all. You see the name Sally Nielsen, this should actually be hyperlinked, but it's not. So this is probably a blog that has disabled the backlinking capabilities of the comment section. This is also not a good blog, so we're going to move on. Okay, so this is a good blog. Now you see that it doesn't have the red dashed outline, and when we hover over it, you can see that it actually gives us a good backlink. So we're going to copy this URL, and we're going to add this to our blog URLs file. Continue going through the search results until you find the required number of blog URLs that you've been assigned. Once you complete this task, you're going to be adding to the blog URLs file all the URLs that you found during this method. To do so, you just need to enter in the keyword and then in parentheses put WordPress blogs, and then enter one URL per line with no spaces in between. Save the document, and it's time to move on to the next method.